Hey guys, how's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the Sure Scent Air Freshener. Now, this is the Hawaiian flavored, or scented, I should say, air freshener. It smells really nice. Now, where you use this in areas that you would like to have smell better. I mean, I don't really use it like just a regular air freshener like you would just spray in the room. You put this around areas that have a tendency to have, bad smells, like your bathroom or where your dog hangs out, or, places like cooking areas where there's a lot of like maybe food smells, or areas like maybe you might have a den or something where people might smoke or things like that. Works well on areas where it has a tendency to accumulate strong smells. So how it works is, when you first get it, there's a seal here. Hold on. There is on this top part. You open it. See, it looks like this, but you would have like a seal here that's been taken off because I'm using it, that you puncture a small hole here with your finger or a knife or something. Depends on how much fragrance you want to come out. If you're putting this in an area that has a strong smell, has a tendency to have strong odors, you would take the whole thing off. Yeah, and then cover it back with this. If it's just in an area that, is just, it's a normal area, you would only puncture just a small hole, maybe about as big as, say, a quarter, in there, so some of the fragrance comes out, right? You can smell it. It's really good. I keep this in my bathroom. I really like the flavor and the smell. It's just really, really nice Hawaiian smell. It kind of smells citrusy, and like pineapple-y. It's kind of sweet. Yeah, and I keep it right behind my toilet, like on the floor, and it smells really good. The only thing is that if you're using it in a really enclosed, tight area, like your closet or something like that, it can make sure you don't open the top that much. Only open it just a little bit, like maybe as small as like a dime or something like that. Because if you take off the whole thing and you have it in a closet and you close the door, the whole closet will be really, really strong with that smell, and it might get into your clothes and stuff. Yeah, but it's really good for pet odors and things like that. Now, for the best way to get the best use out of this, so you can smell it really good, is to have it near a fan or a vent, an open vent that's blowing air. It will blow against this and force the fragrance to come out in a very nice way and fill the room. Yeah, and pretty much you can smell it throughout an average size room. Works on rooms up to about 450 square feet. So that's pretty good size room. Yeah, and you'll smell it. You will. You should use these for about 60 days at the most. Yeah, after that you should, replace it with a different one. But that's a pretty good long time. That's like 2 months long, Yeah, that's pretty good for an air freshener. There are several different types of these, different fragrances. I've seen lavender and apple cinnamon. Oh, the apple cinnamon is really nice too. But I chose the Hawaiian this time. I'm trying to change it up a little bit to, just get a little variety in my smells. Right now I'm only using it in my bathroom because, I just like my bathroom to smell nice and fresh and, smell nice. I always, keep one in there, and it's great. I've used this probably for about maybe 7 months, and I'm very happy with it. This is a really good way to keep the air fresh in those not so smelling good areas. All right, well, this is the Sure Sense air freshener, and this is the Hawaiian scent. All right. Well, I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. All right. Bye-bye.